Your car's suspension system is like the backbone of your vehicle, ensuring a smooth and safe ride. But what happens when this backbone starts to weaken? In today's video, we'll delve into a crucial component of your suspension system, the control arm. We'll uncover 5 common signs that your control arms might be on the brink and why you shouldn't ignore them. Ever felt that your car's handling has taken a strange turn? Or maybe you've noticed a persistent vibration. These could be signs of a more serious issue. A bad control arm. Control arms are crucial components of your car's suspension system. They connect your wheels to the vehicle's frame, ensuring stability and smooth driving. When they start to wear out, it can lead to a host of problems. So, how do you know if your control arms are on the brink? Let's dive into the 5 most common symptoms. Symptom 1. Uneven tire wear. One of the earliest signs of a bad control arm is uneven tire wear. If you notice your tires wearing down on the inner or outer edges faster than usual, it's time to investigate. Symptom 2. Vibrations and shaking. Feeling a persistent vibration or shaking, especially at higher speeds or when going over bumps. This could indicate worn-out control arm bushings, which are responsible for absorbing shock and vibration. Symptom 3. Pulling to one side. Does your car seem to have a mind of its own, pulling to one side even when you're driving straight? This could be a sign of a misaligned control arm, causing your vehicle to veer off course. Symptom 4. Clunking noise. A clunking noise coming from your suspension, especially when going over bumps or turning corners, is a red flag. It could be a symptom of worn-out ball joints or other components of the control arm. Symptom 5. Visible damage. In some cases, the damage to your control arm might be visible. Look for cracks, rust, or other signs of deterioration. If you spot any, it's crucial to have it checked by a professional. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to more serious problems, including loss of control and accidents. So, if you notice any of these signs, don't hesitate to consult a trusted mechanic.